Hello, my name is Peter, and today I actually made, for the first time ever, potatoes. Oh, potatoes, not many potatoes. These potatoes. And they're crispy, they're delicious. They're mini potatoes. And how I made this, with also a mistake I made these little potatoes, canola, olive oil, seasoned salt, and I thought that I bought garlic powder. However, as I got home and I opened it up and I poured it in, I realized later on that I got onion powder. But hey, it turned out great. I put it in the air fryer for 20 minutes, turning it once, and it tastes delicious. You see, it's crispy. So yeah, so that's how I made the potatoes. Oh, it's delicious. So even though I used onion powder instead of garlic powder, it still tastes delicious. Oh yeah. So, but the lesson is, when you buy garlic powder, make sure it says garlic powder and not onion powder. However, with that saying that, it still turned out great, tastes delicious. Thank you and have a great, awesome day, everybody. And keep cooking.